Beretta CX4 Storm XT. Okay, on here, as you can see, try and zoom in, you can see the gap. It's not locked. See, it just pops off dead easy. I have installed £50 worth of CO2 adapter. It holds two 12-gram bottles, and on the right up on the site where I bought it from, it will fit a Beretta CX4 Storm XT or Beretta CX4 Storm, but as you can see, it does not fit, so that's loose, right? It's that little bit plastic that stops it, but you can't take that off because that's the thing that pierces one of the bottles. So I would suggest buying, excuse the video, it's a bit shaky, I would suggest buying one of these with this on it, which goes on like so, and it will, see where it's hooked round there, well that should be hooked round that back plate, so that will keep it on. But for £50 and the write-up says it fits, well it doesn't, so I'm not happy.